This is an 11-minute meditation that will help anyone to deal with monkey mind. The monkey mind. Most of us can relate to what that is, particularly people who have been on a path of recovery from addiction. Once we start to recover, we really can get in touch with just how afflicted we can be in the mental realm. And so to create a sense of calmness, to get the monkey mind to calm down, it'll only take a few minutes. And it's available, so let's go at it together. For this meditation, the palms are face up and the thumb and forefinger are together. The spine is straight. You can be sitting in a chair or on a couch or on the floor. And the shoulders are relaxed. And simply allow the eyes to close. Now at first, just begin to follow the breath. Be aware when you're inhaling. And aware when you're exhaling. Simply take an inhale and notice that you're inhaling. And exhale and notice that you're exhaling. And stay with the breath, mentally drawing your awareness to the inhale and exhale. There's no need to resist thinking or emotions that come up. Simply allow all of them. Let everything in. In your awareness, notice, I'm thinking, or I'm feeling, and let it go. Then bring your attention back to the breath. In this way, the breath, inhale and exhale, will become your anchor. You always come back there. No matter how many thoughts arise, you cannot do this right or wrong. You can just do this. Establish your focus and your concentration on the breath. Now, once you feel established in your focus on the breath, begin to feel like you're receiving each inhale. That each inhale is actually a gift. Rather than you taking a breath, you're receiving a breath. Inhale. And exhale, just releasing what's no longer necessary. Receive the gift of the inhale. And release what's no longer needed, what no longer serves you on the exhale. Inhaling life, prana, life force. Exhaling tension, stress, worry. Inhale, ease, receiving the gift of ease. Exhaling all that's no longer necessary for you. If you find yourself distracted by thinking or emotions, simply bring yourself back to receiving the inhale and letting go of that which no longer serves you on the exhale. Notice that you're in this loving relationship with the breath, receiving it with gratitude and releasing what you don't need on the exhale, which is wonderful. Simply stay here, awareness rooted with the breath. If your thoughts pull you away, simply notice it without any judgment and return your awareness, your focus, to the breath. Very good. Let's take a deep inhale together. Dropping the chin to the chest, exhaling, and allowing the eyes to gently flutter open. I hope you enjoyed that moment of respite, shelter from the storm, as I would call it. It's available to us anytime. Best that we take advantage of it really these moments of meditation allow us to be better versions of ourselves, because when we're not bothered by monkey mind, we really can show up for our life, for other people, for all the things that move us, that we want to be engaged in. And I think that advanced, sustainable long-term recovery is a result of this kind of practice on a regular basis. Thank you for your commitment to this path and your practice. Sat Nam. Much love and namaste.